In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a league in Fantasy Premier League. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in fantasy.premierleague.com. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Fantasy Premier League. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you want to create a league, simply click on this option, Leagues and Cups, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the Leagues and Cups interface. Make sure Leagues option is selected. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for join a league, create a league, renew your leagues. Simply click on this option, create a league. Now you'll be able to choose the league type over here. You'll be able to find the options for classic scoring, head-to-head scoring. Click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option, create a league and cup under the option for classic scoring. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create the league. You'll be able to find various fields over here. What you have to do is enter the information. First of all, enter the league name. Click on the field of league name. Now what you have to do is enter the league name over here. Now once you do that, scroll down. Now you'll be able to find the field for scoring stats over here. Click on this field. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, click on this option create that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your league has been created right over here. So that is how you create a league in Fantasy Premier League. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.